Today we are starting network services part 2 and the last part. We are inside network exploitation basic. Task number 1, get connected. By now it's a tradition just to read this. Hello and welcome. This room is a sequel to the first network services room. Similarly, it will explore a few more common network services vulnerabilities and misconfigurations that you will likely to find in CTFs and some penetration test scenarios. I would encourage you to complete the first network services room, which we just completed, before attempting this room. As with the previous room, it is definitely worth having a basic knowledge of Linux before attempting this room. If you think you'll need some help with this, try completing the Linux fundamentals modules. We completed that. Before we start, get connected to the VPN and then make sure you're sitting comfortably and have a cup of tea, coffee and water. As always, 2 out of 3 are complete. Let's get started. Nota bene. Nota bene. This could be just attention or note. Nota bene basically just is something to pay attention on. This is not a room on Wi-Fi access hacking or hijacking, rather how to gain unauthorized access to a machine by exploiting network services. If you are interested in Wi-Fi hacking, I suggest checking out Wi-Fi Hacking 101 by Ninja. This is the exactly same line that we had in network services first room. So answer the questions below. Our favorite question. Ready? Let's get going. We've done a lot here. We feel exhausted. We'll continue tomorrow. So, yeah.